Camtasia, Filmora. Which is the better video editor? Which one has more features? And which one should you actually be using? Today we're going to find out. We're going to put them head to head and we're going to explore all that they have to offer. So let's get into it. So let us jump into Camtasia. So Camtasia combines screen recording and editing in one platform, making it ideal for creating tutorials, training videos, and even webinars. It's an all-in-one tool, and their approach simplifies the workflow for educators as well as business users. Users can also seamlessly replace backgrounds with the chroma key functionality, enabling a more polished, professional looking video. And this is perfect for presentations or creating video projects. You can add quizzes, clickable links, and hotspots to your videos to make them more engaging and interactive. The feature is particularly useful for e-learning and training purposes. Camtasia also offers pre-designed templates, themes, and presets to streamline video creation. It makes it a really beginner-friendly tool while speeding up the editing process. The software provides built-in tools to adjust audio levels, remove background noise, and even sync audio with your visuals, ensuring professional sound quality. Camtasia's user-friendly interface is also designed for more non-professionals, allowing even beginners to create polished videos effortlessly. One or two of their drawbacks, however, is for professionals, Camtasia lacks advanced editing tools like 3D effects or even Hollywood-grade color grading, which might kind of restrict your creativity flexibility slightly. Also, Camtasia comes with a hefty one-time price, which might not be feasible for casual users or anybody that's doing video editing more as a hobby. Alright, so let's jump into Filmora. So Filmora comes loaded with fantastic and vibrant filters, transitions, and effects, allowing for quick, visually appealing edits. You can easily track objects or texts in your video, adding a level of professional detail to your projects. Filmora offers an instant mode, which basically allows you to create polished videos instantly from a template. This is perfect for beginners or anybody that hasn't got the time to really sit down and put a lot of time into editing a video. You can create split screen videos effortlessly, which is ideal for side-by-side comparisons or even creative storytelling. It automatically lowers the volume of background music when dialogue is detected, improving audio clarity. I think this is fantastic because some of the videos that I produce, I do add audio in there, and sometimes the audio has to be manually set and changed when I am actually speaking. So that's awesome. You can also export your videos directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and a bunch more, which can optimize your workflow for social media sharing. One or two of the drawbacks is that Filmora lacks the integrated screen recording and annotation tools that some of the competitors actually excel in. It makes it a little bit less suited for like your tutorial type videos. Also, the free version of Filmora places watermarks on exported videos, which can be an issue for professional use. Again, this is coming from a personal space. I actually ended up using Filmora a few years ago, and I went through an entire video project and exported it. And when I watched the export, I realized there's a watermark, and it sucks. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Both of the software that we just reviewed now are amazing. They both have fantastic features. They both appeal to different groups of people. And the takeaway here really is to figure out which group you fit into and which software you would be using. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.